Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng diligent? Non-stop grind tapos mabuburnout ka lang? No! May mas malinaw na wisdom si Solomon. Diligence na may peace, direction, at fruit. Sabi ni Solomon sa Proverbs 21:5, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance." Ang Hebrew word for diligent ay harus. Ibig sabihin, steady, intentional, consistent, decisive. Hindi rushed, hindi panic, hindi bigla-bigla. Contrast yan sa hustle culture natin ngayon. Biblical diligence is faithful, daily steps guided by wisdom. Dagdag pa ni Solomon sa Proverbs 10:4, "Diligent hands bring wealth." Hindi overnight, hindi shortcut, little by little may increase. And here's the truth revelation. 1 Corinthians 1:30, Jesus became our wisdom. So when Jesus is your wisdom, merong plano, may restraint, may consistency, may peace ka. Hindi ka nagmamadali. Wisdom ang nauuna at abundance ang sumusunod. Believe in Jesus, my friend. The wisdom of God who teaches you to walk steady, faithful, and fruitful. Declare this with faith. With Jesus as my wisdom, I walk in diligence, my plans lead to abundance. Makinig at magbasa lagi ng Word of God. Check the recommended books in my profile showcase. Fill your mind with good things that point you to Jesus. And subscribe to support our mission of sharing Christ-centered, grace-based wisdom. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.